Are you getting the message? Your account is no longer eligible for live when trying to go live on Instagram? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly why this error shows up and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your followers. First, open the Instagram app and head to your profile. Now take a look at your follower count. As of Instagram's latest update, your account needs to have at least 1,000 followers to access the live feature. If your account has less than 1,000 followers, Instagram will block live access, even if everything else is correct. Also, this feature is now limited to public accounts only, not private ones. So if you don't meet these two conditions, 1,000 followers and a public profile, that's likely the reason for the error. Step 2. Make your account public. If you already have 1,000 followers, then do this next. Tap the 3-line menu icon on the top right of your profile. Then scroll down and go to Account Privacy. Here, make sure your account is set to public. If your account is currently private, switch it to public. Instagram Live is now restricted to public profiles, so this step is crucial. Step 3. Contact Instagram support. If your account already has 1,000 plus followers and it's public, but the error still shows, here's what to do. Go back to the menu, scroll down, and tap on Help. Then select Report a Problem. Now tap Include and Continue. You'll see a text box. Here, briefly explain the issue you're facing, like, "My account meets all the requirements, but I'm still unable to go live. Please help fix this issue." Then hit the Send button and wait for a response from Instagram. And that's it. By following these steps, your Instagram Live should be working again soon. If this video helped, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.